Welcome back everybody. As promised, in this episode I'll be sharing regarding the second flawless skin package, Rejuran Healer. So what is Rejuran Healer? Rejuran comprises of salmon DNA which has healing properties. So these are the benefits of Rejuran Healer. Firstly, it improves one's skin hydration, it treats open pores, it helps with improving acne scarring, it also forms new collagen, it has a skin rejuvenation properties and also anti-aging properties. You may be wondering if there is any downtime during this procedure. Yes, there is downtime which is very minimal for at least 24 hours to 3 days. So if you're interested in this flawless skin package, contact us and do visit us at Glojas so that you are able to get a proper assessment for the most appropriate skin booster for your skin type. So stay tuned to join me in our last episode when I'm really excited to share with the latest skin booster in the market.